the drink. I need home for a rest.
Okay, girls, for the camera.
We arrived in December and Monday was done, so we stayed in the bus. And on Jerry Cross Road, we never saw nothing but brass tacks and oak. Kept the shine on the bus with the sleeves of our coats. You have to excuse me, I'm not in my bed. I've been gone for a week. I've been traveling for work. I've been stuck on vacation. Will soon be my day. I'm so sick from the drink. Houston Station, the train turning up in that rubber car. We lurched back and forth past our cricket decks to York Street, Springfield. We were flung into this, and the train just ended. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not at my best. I've been gone for a week. I'm in trunks inside up, and these so-called vacations will soon be my life. I'm so sick from the drink. I need home for a rest. Take me home.
Girls, come on, come on. Girls, come on.
She tripped through the streets, a rare overview, so seductive and sweet. She teases a girl as the bus comes down, and her walk comes on home, and the eyes around. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not at my best. I mean,
Let's go, Canada. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm so sick from the drink. I need home for a rest. Take me
Let's go. Let's go.
And the spirits we drink, and I ghost in the room. I'll die yet again. Come on, sleep, take me soon. And I'll lift up my head to the 12 bells at noon. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not at my best. I've been gone for enough. I've been drunk since I left, and it's so-called vacation.